Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Everybody likes brownies. But if you ever want something similar, in a totally different flavor, then these fudgy blondies are the best choice. These blondies are extremely fudgy and delicious. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Take half a cup of brown sugar. I always prefer to grind the sugar before making brownies and cookies. It makes the whole process a lot easier. So I am going to grind these for a couple of minutes. Pour half a cup of melted butter into a mixing bowl. Into that add the ground sugar. Now beat them for 4 to 5 minutes. Preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius. You can see that the butter and sugar mixture has turned light in color now. Add 1 large egg. If your eggs are small, add 1½ eggs. Now beat this for just 1 minute on low speed. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now sift in 1 cup of flour, 1/3 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then using a spatula or spoon, mix everything well until thoroughly combined. Finally add half a cup of white chocolate chips, or chopped chocolates. I have chopped a bar of white cooking chocolates. You may add in nuts too if you want. Now line a baking tray with parchment paper and pour in the batter. I have used a 7x7 tray. This would give you thicker blondies. If you want your blondies to be thin, use an 8x8 tray. Then smoothen the top with your spatula. Now bake these in the preheated oven for around 30 minutes, or until a skewer or a toothpick inserted comes out clean. If you have used an 8x8 tray, you will have to check at 25 minutes. Our fudgy blondies are ready now. Let them cool completely before cutting. Once they have cooled, remove them from the tray. To get clean edges, I am going to dip my knife in some hot water and wipe it down before cutting. Now these dense and incredibly fudgy blondies are ready to be enjoyed. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.